from the earth within the blink of eye. So it is our responsibility to design or develop certain technology so that we can save these elephants, because at the end we are primarily responsible for the extinction of these animals, because we are invading their territory, not theirs. So we are responsible because we are the reason for the destruction of their habitats and their home. So this is actually the main conceptual. So this was the real concept and basis of our project, and that's why we're introducing a project named Saving the Nature by Saving the Elephants, a project for Indian Railways, whose key feature is that we are implementing a prototype or a model where we can pre-detect the presence of elephants near the track nearest areas and also at the distance locations, and send the signals to the railway or train driver so that it can give signal to the train driver about the presence of elephants beforehand. So this is the main concept behind our project, and the further brief description about the project will be given by my groupmates.
Hello, this is our project model. Basically, we are using both hardware and software tools for making our project. After that, what are the software requirements for our project? Basically, we are using the i3indya Studio 7 for writing the code, and next one is the AVR Dude is the software for uploading the hex file to the microcontroller. After that, I am going for what are the hardware requirement using our project. This is on the AVR development board. It contains the Atmega 16. It is the brain of our project. It's controlling all the operation of our project. And after that, we are using the USB ASP program loader. It's act like as a uploading the program to the microcontroller. After that, this is the IR sensor. It's work under the infrared ray. And suppose if any extra phase come on the in front of IR sensor, it send the signal to the our signal board. After that, this is the PIR sensor, and after that, this is the vibrate sensor, and this one is the piezoelectric sensor. And overall, these are the our software and hardware tools for making our whole setup project. Thank you.
Hello, so as my friends had already discussed about what are the components we use in our project and first about our project objective. So now I am going to explain about how our project really works. So this is our project model. Somehow we try to give the jungle view atmosphere to our project, and this is the model elephant. So normally our project has been 3 sensing security zone where both zones are implemented some several distance to the railway track. So first layer is IR sensing zone, second one is PIR sensing zone, and third and last one is piezoelectric sensing zone. So when the elephant comes under the IR sensing zone, it will glow the yellow light. Now you can see, yellow light. Then when the come to the zone of the PIR sensor, it will detect the orange light. And the last sensing zone is piezoelectric sensing zone. So when during the when elephants are crossing the railway track, that time it will glow the red light. You can see this is the red light. So this is our 3 sensing zone layer, and now we somehow additionally added one thing, the vibrating sensor. When the railway comes on the track, it will automatically vibrate, start vibrating, and it will blow the buzzer sound. Okay, the help of buzzer sound, so the animals can be cross the railway track during the railway when railway is coming. So now just an example. Now it's buzzing. So this is the last layer, and yeah, it's all about our project, how we implemented in our all the things. So thank you.
This was the overview of our total project. Till now, what we explained was the basic idea of our project or the ground step towards our project. We are going to implement many advanced techniques to enhance our project. The first technique is that we are going to implement the GSM module. With the help of GSM module, we are going to send the information. If an elephant is trespassing the railway track, then it will send the information to the nearest forest department or the railway department. The second technique is that we are going to take in account the most important feature of the elephant, that is the rumbling sound. With the help of the rumbling sound, we will take out the acoustic measurement of that and give the information about the elephant in that area. And the third, we are going to integrate AI and ML, with, that is the artificial intelligence and machine learning in our project, so that we can get the accurate results and find what is the activity of the elephant in that area. We are also going to implement the infrared cameras or the night vision cameras. With the help of the night vision cameras, we can know where is the elephant, what is the activity of the elephant, and all that, so that what are the limitations we got in the previous things, we are going to overcome it by integrating the